Hey everyone, this is Mobile Merchant. Now I have a really great rewards application that you can use on your iPhone and on your Android device. And this is very simple to use. It's a actually pretty fun game that you play, and it's very easy to learn. And when you complete the game, you're going to earn some rewards. And with these rewards, you can get gift cards or PayPal or some other sorts of incentives for you to keep on playing the game. But before I continue, please remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel for more tips on getting rewards online and at home. Now, the app I want to show you guys today, as you can see here in the top left corner of my screen, is called KnifeDash. And it's specifically called KnifeDash Master on the iPhone. And when you download the app, you just have to open it up, and you're going to be brought onto this screen. Now, before I continue, I want to show you how much that they have paid me, because I was able to redeem through PayPal. Once you earn enough of the cash as shown here, you can redeem it through PayPal, and I want to show you guys what I have gotten on my PayPal account. So let's go there right now. Okay, so as you can see here, this is my PayPal account, and I did receive $50 in PayPal from the KnifeDash application developers. So as you can see here, I was paid by AOE Technology Limited, which is the company that makes the app, and they paid it to my account in PayPal. And you can see right here in their note, it says that KnifeDash Master sends you a bonus. So as you can see, this is the application that I'm showing you guys, and they did pay me. So obviously you can see there is a $50 amount that was paid to me. They did take a fee because this was paid as goods and services, which will obviously take a fee from you. But I still got $47.50 from the application. So they definitely pay out, and they are trustworthy, and you can expect to receive your money if you do withdraw. Okay, so now you may be wondering, how do you earn other rewards, and what types of rewards can you earn besides PayPal? So let's go through the list of rewards first. Now you can see on the top right corner that there are 4 different types of currencies that you can earn from this app. And there are diamonds. Diamonds, you can use them to redeem for gift cards. There's the cash, which, as you saw before, was able to go towards PayPal. They also have Google Play cards, and even more PayPal. So let's go through some of the rewards, like the gift cards that they offer. You have to go here and then tap on this, and it's going to bring you to the cash rewards section. So you can see that there's different types of rewards depending on the currency that you want to use. So right now we're looking at the diamonds, and with diamonds you can earn gift cards. So you can see here that for a $5 Amazon gift card you get 140, or you have to pay 140,000 diamonds. Or for a $25 Amazon gift card you have to pay 560,000 diamonds. And you can also get Google Play gift cards from this application as well. So it's pretty versatile because you can use it for either your phone or you can buy it on Amazon. They also have some more rewards if you scroll down, so you can see that they have iTunes gift cards, they have Steam gift cards, PlayStation, and Xbox. So also if you're a gamer, you can get gift cards for those as well. Now, in addition to the gift cards, they also have cash, as I said before, and for the cash, you can withdraw to PayPal. So right now, since I withdrew, I don't have that much, but they have different denominations that you can withdraw depending on how much cash you have. So you can get $5 here, you can get $10, $50, and even $100. And once again, if you don't have enough cash, you have to play the game. But you can also earn cash by converting diamonds into the cash. And you can see here, if you click on this blue tab, you can convert your diamonds into cash. So the exchange rate, as you can see here, is 22,400 diamonds is equal to $1 in cash. So even if you're earning only diamonds, you can still redeem to PayPal by converting those diamonds into cash. So now let me go through ways that you can actually earn these currencies. And the first and foremost way to do it is obviously through referrals. So if you go here, you can see that you're going to be given an invitation code right there that you can share with your friends and your other family members to just download the application and install using your referral code. And for every successful invitation, you will earn 4 cents. And the condition for that is that the friends have to be real and active members of the app. So make sure that they actually use the app. But like I said, this is the simplest way to earn cash because you're basically not doing anything and you just have someone else sign up. You just convince them to sign up and you can earn by doing that. So like I said, this is the easiest way to earn, but there's also another way to earn, and that's through playing the game. And you can see here that it is a Knife Dash Master game. So all you have to do is go here. You have to choose what knife you want to use. This one says King Knives. And after that, you just go back home. And from here, you can see it says tap to play. So all you have to do now is just tap. And you can see right now that I'm at a boss stage. So there's different levels here. You have the normal stages, then you have the special stages where you can earn diamonds or cash. And then you have the boss stages, as you can see right here. And after the boss stage, you get a special treasure chest you can open, which I'm going to show you after this. So the goal of the game here is to throw the knife upwards so that it doesn't bump into one of your existing knives. So you want to get into an empty spot here. So let's just say it's spinning right now. We have to time it right so we don't hit the knives already on the boss. So let's do it right here. So you can see, again, and then now there's one more I need to hit, and I'll be done with this boss. So let's do it now. Okay. So now you can see that we defeated the boss, and now we're brought into these treasure chests. And with the chest, you're going to be given 3 keys, and you have to choose between 9 chests. And with this, you can get different rewards like cash or diamonds. And right now, the best reward, as you can see highlighted here, is 128 diamonds. So let's just throw it up here. And we got 5 diamonds from that. Now let's do this one. And we got 9 diamonds from that. And now let's do this one. And we got 7 diamonds for that. So those are from those 3 keys. And now you can see here, if you watch an ad, you can get 3 more keys. So you can open 3 more chests. Now I want to show you guys the rest of it, so I'm not going to show you this. But it's very simple. You just watch a video advertisement as usual. And once the ad concludes, then you're going to be able to get whatever the reward is. In this case, it is 3 more keys. So now let's move on from this in this game. And I'll just say no thanks. And now you can see it's going to reveal to you where the locations of the other rewards were and what they were in the chests. And also it's giving us this option to earn 47 cents in Google Play gift cards. And once again, to do this, you have to watch a video advertisement. But as I said, I'm going to move on. I'll show you guys an example of the video advertisement later on towards the end of this video, but for now I want to show you some more of the game itself. So let's say no thanks there. And again, another video advertisement if you want. It's going to give you ×4 of the diamonds that you earned, but let's move on. Okay, so now you can see here that this is one of the special ones where you get cash for every successful knife throw. So again, the goal is very simple. You just make sure that you don't hit any of the knives that are already on there, but let's do it anyway. So right there you can see I earned $1, and then again another $1, and again, and again, and one more time right there. So you can see I earned $5 from that game. So now let's claim that, and you can see here it's giving you the option once again to watch video advertisements. But we're going to say no and move on. So now this is the normal version of the game, and you just have to toss it. And I earned $3 in PayPal, and then, or sorry, 3 cents, not $3. And then toss it again, another 3 cents, and then toss it again. But this is a different kind of PayPal, which I'm going to explain after this because I didn't really get to that yet. I talked about the cash and diamonds, but I didn't talk about the PayPal or the Google Play gift cards, but I'll get to that like in a second. And then one more time, or 2 more times, sorry. Oh shoot, I missed. Okay, so you can see I missed, and now it's giving me the option to continue if I watch an ad, but I'm just going to say no thanks. And it's going to back me out. It says that I was defeated. Alright, so now let's go home. You can see that this game is very simple and straightforward. Now let me just talk to you about the Google Play and the PayPal. So if you go on the Google Play gift cards, sorry, it says here you have to play free games to get money, and then you can win $100 in Google gift cards. So you have to earn enough of this Google Play thing to be able to put yourself into a pool, and you can win the $100. And now for the PayPal, as you can see here, there's different qualifications you have to meet in order to withdraw and exchange for PayPal. So you can see that it says 7 days continuous login, rebirth 30 times, and get 1,000 diamonds from your chosen knife. And once you meet all of these requirements and you have enough in your PayPal balance, then you can withdraw for PayPal. So this is a bit more convoluted, takes more steps than just using the cash, because the cash is just you exchange it straight up. This one you have to do a couple more things in order to exchange it, but it's also another way to earn PayPal money into your account. So that's that. Now let me just go one more time through the game, and I'll show you an example of the video, and that should be about it for this video. Alright, so now we won that, and now let's say I wanted to multiply my my diamonds by 4. And what it's going to make you do is watch this advertisement, and eventually once the ad ends, it takes roughly maybe 20 to 30 seconds. It's not terribly long. Then you're going to get whatever reward you chose on the application. So you can see right here on the bottom left that there is a timer, and currently there are 7 seconds left on my video. So once this video ends, then I'll show you guys the reward that I get. Alright, so now it ended, and now you can see there's a X button here, so let's tap on that. And you can see that we earned 40 diamonds for doing that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this app, guys. It's very simple, very straightforward. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, and remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel for more videos like this in the future.